Okay.
I have a 10-year-old daughter, and one of the things that I would probably say to her, having had this experience, is that you know there's two main things that I've really thought about this whole day. One, there when you start something, it's going to be scary, but if you just focus on each step, it's almost like walking a mile. You can't do it with one step. You have to take one step and then another step. And if you put enough steps together, you'll eventually walk that mile. And so, this artistic experience that I had no idea where to start. Um, but I took the first step. My mentor asked me, okay, what are you thinking? And that was nice because I can do that, and that was that first step. So I think the first kind of point that I would impart upon my daughter is that don't try to get to the end. Don't be intimidated if the task looks so daunting because you're looking from where you are now to where it is that you're trying to get. Enjoy that process in between and take that first step, because eventually, you'll get there. I never thought I would see today a painting in front of me that was in my brain and has come, through my hands. So that's the first thing. The second thing was definitely to try new things. Don't be in your box. One of the things that, I have to be, completely honest about in my adult life, I definitely stay within my comfort zone. This has been way outside of my comfort zone because I've never made a painting before. But I am absolutely, and again, I hope that it helps, with, from the financial standpoint for this fantastic organization. But the other thing is I am just so happy that it made me step out of my comfort zone, because I've learned something. And, like I said, I think that's something that, can be applied to life in general and not just any one specific activity. So I came in here with, the notion that, okay, I'm going to slop some paint around and this guy's going to walk me through and I'm going to try to get the heck out of here as quickly as possible. And, I was hoping that I would be here for a couple hours, and really I've been comfortable that, with the fact that I've pretty much spent the day here, and it's been a magnificent experience.